What's up mga taga Negrense? I'm Cody from the Negrense Spotlight. Welcome aboard to Patron of the Arts. Not only am I part of the Negrense Spotlight, but I'm also part of the Iron Cosplay Shinobi Fitness, where we bring cosplay and fitness all in once. Tara, let's go inside and see what's up. So we're back again at Patron of the Arts. I'm here with...
Ellie Bunny!
Gen Animation!
Oy, correct. Meron tayong animation studio person dito. So ano masasabi mo ba sa animations mo?
Okay naman. So, we're trying to improve our work, our content. So, abangan nyo yung mga upload namin, Gen Animation.
Correct. Shoutout din sa page niyo po, mga pages niyo or mga socials niyo.
Visit our social, Gen Animation.
And Ellie Bunny.
Ano lang naman yun. Sa mga YouTube, IG, TikTok, same lang yung mga spelling.
Sige po, sige po. So, as of today, how does it feel to be a part sa event na ganito?
First time namin, Patron of the Arts in Bacolod, and first time rin namin dito sa Bacolod, and we're so overwhelmed with love and support from our Bacolod viewers. Thank you so much.
And masaya kasi may mga pa-workshop sila. Kami kanina, tote bag painting, and masaya ako kasi may mga workshop yung event ng POTA.
Huwag niyong kalimutan magpunta sa inasal natin dito, ha?
Try na kami. Dalawang beses na ata.
Gawin yung pangapat.
Pang-apat. Araw-arawin na namin yan habang andito pa kami.
Correct, correct. Sige, ito. What do you like most about Bacolod's art community?
Art community, supportive sila kasi sa mga workshop pa lang makikita mo kaagad na mga artist yung mga tao, kasi kanina nag-attend kami ng tote bag painting and maraming nag-participate, and
May customer tayo po dito. Hello, ma'am sir. Are you interested in buying their merch?
No, but I'm interested. I'm sorry, I don't have money. I'm interested in following them. Though.
I'm interested.
see.
We're interested in being rich enough to buy your merch. Thank you very much.
Same. I'm also interested in getting rich too.
let's go.
For the what do you like most about Bacolod art community?
Bacolod Art Community. Yes! Halos lahat dito, from Bacolod, and naririnig ko kasi naghihilagay nun sila. Yeah, so ang cute ng accent niya.
Last but not least, any message to your fans or sa mga attendees ngayon?
Thank you guys sa mga pumunta sa day 1 and day 2, and thank you for all the gifts you gave us. Hindi namin in-expect, and your presence is more than enough. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you. Kahit crisis ngayon, pumunta pa rin kayo. Yeah!
Correct. So last but not the least is a question from me personally, because I'm part of the Iron Shinobi Cosplay Fitness, bringing fitness and cosplay at the same time. So as you can see, I'm physically pero not mentally fit. Pero eventually I will be offering sa buong Philippines, I'll be offering free boxing lessons, just not for the sake, not just for self-defense, but also for the sake of fitness. If it does come to pass, will you be interested in taking those lessons for free?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, let's go.
Teka rin, nandito
pa ako naghahanap ng may vaccine
Meron ako dito na yun,
Paano?
Alright,
Sige.
so
Sige, mamaya, sample ulit try natin. Sige. For now, thank you so much sa interview natin ngayon. Any shoutouts din sa mga people or anyone you want to shout out?
Shout out sa mga hindi nakapunta ngayon. Babalik pa kami dito, kaya next time punta na kayo. Alright!
Yeah!
Alright. Thank you.
Wow.